Hello guys, welcome to Kun's DIY, where we do everything DIY and home decor. In today's video we're going to turn this wine bottle that I have here into a beautiful vase. So first I'm gonna spray it up with some silver spray. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's the next day. I spray painted the bottle and I went ahead and put some masking tape and then cut it into the shape of a heart off camera. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to take a bit of mud podge and pass it around the heart, just like that. Okay, and then I have here some silver sequins and some white glitter. I'm going to mix them up and then we're just going to sprinkle it on. Just give our bottle a little tap here like that to shake the glitter off. Okay guys, so just keep on applying the Mod Podge all around. There's my wine bottle, which I transformed into a beautiful vase. It's perfect for a dining room setting or any room of choice. I finished off the bottle with some stones that I spray painted and also added some glitter onto it. And remember, if there's any piece or any item that you don't like or don't want anymore, you could always give it a whole new life. This concludes the end of my video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to comment, share and subscribe.